Hey guys, Crystal here from Indie Hip Chick. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to be comparing two of the stylers that are carried within the TGIN product line. So the two stylers that are carried within TGIN are the Twist and Define Cream, which is what I used for the braid out that I released last week. And then they have the Butter Cream Daily Moisturizer. And so what I'm going to be doing is putting both of these products on my hair, one on one side, one on the other side, just to compare the two and show you guys how they work, and so you can kind of go into the store if you're looking into these products with a better more knowledge on what you want. So with the Twist and Define Cream, it says it's supposed to create smooth, shiny, well-defined twists and twist outs, gives strong hold and lasting curl definition, reduces frizz and flyaways, and hydrates dry strands. And then for the Butter Cream Daily Moisturizer, it says that it can be used as a setting cream to create soft, smooth, and shiny twist outs and twists, but it does have a softer hold versus the Butter Cream. I mean, not the Butter Cream, versus the Twist and Define Cream. So yeah, so they're very similar products and they're both carried within the same line. I don't think that you need to necessarily buy both of these. I think that you can buy one or the other and just kind of interchange which one that you end up using. But yeah, I just wanted to do a comparison video of the two items just so you can go into the store and make a better, more knowledgeable decision on which one you want to get. So if you're interested to see how these two products compare, just keep watching. Okay, so just like last week, we are going to start off on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. And we are going to go ahead and separate our hair into 4 sections using clips. So like I was saying in the intro, we are going to be comparing the TGIN Twist and Define Cream to the TGIN Daily Moisturizer. So on the right hand side, we are going to be using the TGIN Twist and Define Cream, and then on the left hand side, we are going to be using the Butter Cream Daily Moisturizer. So we're going to start off by spraying our hair with warm water mixed with aloe vera juice. We're going to immediately follow that up with the Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner and put that throughout the section. Once you've applied the leave-in conditioner throughout that section, we are going to finger detangle and split it in half. Once finger detangled, we're going to go ahead and detangle it a little bit more with a wet brush or your tool of choice. Now we're going to go ahead and apply the TGIN Twist and Define Cream and start twisting. Once you get to the bottom, don't forget to apply a little bit more product and coil. Now we're going to repeat this process throughout the section. We're going to detangle, apply the TGIN Twist and Define Cream, and then start twisting. Now we're going to move on to the side with buttercream. We're going to start off by saturating that side of the hair with our warm water mixed with aloe vera juice. Then we're going to apply the TGIN leave-in conditioner, finger detangle, then finally splitting that section in half. Now, just like with the TGIN Twist and Define Cream, we are going to detangle the section before we apply the buttercream. Once detangled, you're going ahead and apply the buttercream and then separate that section in half and start twisting. Now repeat these steps throughout the section. Detangle, apply the buttercream, split in half or in as many sections as you need, and start twisting. Okay, so before I hop into the back part of my hair, I just wanted to talk a little bit about the twists on both sides, how the products are feeling, and just, you know, general chit chat about the products. before I forget, because that is something that happens to me. So as far as the Butter Cream, which is the daily moisturizer, which is on this side, I will say when I applied it, it felt really good. Like it felt really smooth and really moisturizing, and it just felt significantly thinner than the Twist and Define cream. I will say that. And it didn't feel as sticky, which is really weird, because I feel like these products, when you put them on top of each other or put them on top of the leave-in conditioner with water, the whole consistency changes. Because that buttercream last week, when I put it on my dry twist, or just in general when I want to like think about touching up my hair and just putting it on there, that mug is sticky. So something about when you put them all together, that stickiness that you have, originally it just kind of goes away and it just becomes a normal moisturizer, I guess. I don't know. It's really weird how that happens. So maybe this product, as far as like the daily moisturizer, maybe that will work better with products outside of TGIN. I don't know. But I just wanted to put that out there. So as far as the butter cream, this is the consistency. Let me put that over here so you can see it. This is the consistency of the buttercream. As you can see, like in my hand, it does not look sticky at all. I will say once you like kind of rub it in a little bit, it gets a little stickier. But yeah, that's the buttercream. So it's a considerably lighter consistency than the Twist and Define cream, which I'm about to show you guys in my other hand. So this is the Twist and Define cream. And as you can see, that one, it is a little stickier. It's definitely thicker than the buttercream. But yeah, definitely stickier. So yeah, as far as the twist feel, these definitely feel a lot more stickier and stiff. These are the ones that I put the Twist and Define cream. They're definitely more stiff and sticky than these. These are more soft and, you know, plump feeling and feeling luxurious and nice. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do the back of my head off camera, and then I will be back with the takedown in about a day. Yeah, I think in the morning I'll take them down so you guys can see just what it looks like for the buttercream and the Twist and Define cream. Alright guys, so I am back to record the takedown. I hope that the audio isn't terrible in this. My preamp just died, and it takes 9-volt batteries, and who just has 9-volt batteries sitting around, right? So hopefully the audio isn't terrible and that it's at least halfway decent. If not, I guess I'll just be re-recording it, but we're gonna hope for the best because I don't want to have to redo my hair. So we are going to take it down. And remember, like I said before, this side over here is the Twist and Define gel, and this side over here is the buttercream. So I think it's been about maybe a day since I did these. And yesterday I put a little bit of the TGIN argan oil in my hair, just because I was wearing a wrap all day yesterday and I just didn't want it to like be super dry. But I really like that argan oil. It's super nice. Like it's legit. Like it's nice. It smells good. It's a funny little smell. It's kind of like a clean, fresh smell, but it's really nice, and it leaves your hair super moisturized and nice looking. So right off the back, I'll say that this side that used the buttercream definitely feels a lot more moisturized than the TGIN Twist and Define cream. It definitely feels a little bit more stiff, like maybe it has more of a hold, which as it should. And this side definitely feels a lot more soft and puffy and just kind of like hair, I guess. Definitely feels a lot softer than the other side and a lot more moist and moisturized. I don't really think I need to put oil on my hands. I'm just gonna put a little bit, or maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just take it down because it feels really nice and juicy from the oil I put in yesterday. So maybe I won't do that. I don't know. We shall see as I start taking them down. All right, so we're going to start on the side that I use the Twist and Define cream on. As you can see right off the back, super defined. It's not really separating really easily. Like, you know how like you kind of usually have the strands to separate. But that's something that I really that I noticed when I used the twist and define cream on a twist out. I feel like it does a lot better for braid outs, but for twist outs I feel like it doesn't quite like have those pull apart strands, so you don't make that frizz. All right, so this is the side that used the twist and define cream, and it feels really good. It's super soft. I think there are a couple parts that kind of look dry. Wouldn't necessarily say they feel dry, but they definitely look a little not as nice as I would like them to look. Like right in this area in the front, like I feel like you can't see it on camera, but like right in here, like it just looks a little frizzy and dry a little. But overall, I feel like it feels really good. I don't know. I wouldn't say it's like a stronghold, but it's not like super soft. Like there's some parts, like those parts that are frizzy, where it's like maybe I wouldn't say use too much product, or I don't know. It just feels kind of weird. Like you know how like if you use like a gel or something, like sometimes it doesn't feel the best or look the best because it's kind of crunchy, and you're trying to separate it and make it soft, and so you're kind of pulling it the wrong direction. Well, doing the opposite of what the product wants you to do, I guess. That's what I'm gonna call it. But yeah, so this is the side with the twist and define cream. Don't think it looks too bad. It's pretty defined as far as like the curls in the back, at least. They look real good. The ones in the front look a little frizzy, but not too bad. Let's go on to the side with the butter cream and see what we get. Well, that one separated really nice. I feel like this side is really separating a lot better, and I'm not quite sure why. It has more of like those areas that have like, where you know like, okay, I can separate here because it just looks like it kind of clumped. It definitely feels moist. Dang, so this was unexpected. So the side with the Butter Cream Daily Moisturizer, this side over here, I definitely think it looks a lot better than the side with the Twist and Define cream. It feels better, and it feels like it's separated a lot easier, like without making a whole bunch of extra frizz. And I just feel like it looks so much better. Yeah, I feel like it looks fuller. Like how? I really wasn't expecting this. I was rooting for the Twist and Define cream because I use that for my braid outs, and I feel like it looks great for my braid outs. But yeah, I definitely like this side more. It feels so much better on this other side. We're going to have to pin this side back today. This looks so much better. Well, let me see. Let me turn up this light. Maybe I need to turn it up a little bit so we can see myself. That's bright. I don't know if I want it that bright. What you think? Well, let's go here just so y'all can see my hair. Okay, so this is the side with the buttercream, and this is the side with the Twist and Define gel. And yeah, I really like how I really like how the Butter Cream Daily Moisturizer, how it feels. And I feel like I like how it looks more, because it looks more fluffy and just curly. Like, I just really like that side. Like this side over here, definitely like it a lot more than this one. Like this side looks a little stiff and crazy. So that definitely, I wasn't expecting that. You put a little bit more argan oil on that side. Maybe that'll help it. I mean, it did make it a little softer. But I definitely like this side more. Yeah, definitely like the side with the buttercream. Definitely like that a lot more than the side with the twist and define gel. But I mean, I guess it's like depends on the user and your preference. Like if you like your if you like more of a stiff hold when you do your twist outs, then you're gonna like this. If you like that soft, fluffy kind of thing, then you're gonna like the buttercream more. So it really just depends on the user and what you're looking for as your end. I feel like they both did a good job, because I mean, you can see the curls. Like the curls look, I think they look really good on both sides. But yeah, wasn't expecting that though. So I definitely will probably be using the buttercream to do my twist outs in the future, and then just using the twist and define cream to do my braid outs, because I love the way it looks with braid outs. So cool discovery, right? All right guys, so that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful in some type of way. Again, this was me showing two stylers that are carried within the TGIN line, the TGIN Twist and Define Cream and the TGIN Butter Cream Daily Moisturizer, and just showing that you can use them both as a styler. You don't have to get both of them. You can just get one or the other, whichever one you feel like fits your lifestyle and what you do. I think the buttercream definitely is a nice product to have. It's really soft, it's really moisturizing. It works really well for twist outs. But I also really like the Twist and Define cream. I use it for my braid outs all the time, and I feel like my braid outs look bomb when I use it. So I haven't really tried the buttercream on a braid out, but I know that my braid outs do work with the Twist and Define gel. So it's kind of like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, you know? But I really think it depends on the end user and what you're looking for, as far as like your hold and your style and just how your hair behaves with the products. So yeah, so that is all that I have for this video. If it was helpful or if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any suggestions or just ways that I can help you more determine if you want to purchase a product, or if you want to try a product, or just want to see like how something works on my hair, please put that down in the comment section below. We really like to hear from you guys to try to figure out what we can do to really help you and assist you in your natural hair journey, your makeup journey, fashion journey, whatever kind of journey you on right now. So yeah, so that is all that I have for this video. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.